Welcome, my fellow tax professionals. Today we'll be discussing collateral agreements that are part of an offer and compromise agreement. I'm your host, Attorney Robert Schaller, the author of the course. A collateral agreement is an agreement between the IRS and the taxpayer that offers additional consideration to the offer and compromise agreement. An example of this would be a future income collateral agreement. A future income collateral agreement is an agreement where the offer and compromise amount is less than what the IRS would expect because a taxpayer is currently underemployed or unemployed. So for example, if you had a high wage income earner who is currently underemployed or unemployed, the IRS may ask for a collateral agreement so that if the taxpayer were to regain full employment at a higher income, the IRS recoup more of the back taxes. A collateral agreement is important that you understand, so study the chapter carefully. Let us begin by exploring the definition of a collateral agreement. A collateral agreement is a contract associated with the Form 656 offer and compromise that provides additional terms to the standard Form 656 contract. A Treasury regulation authorizes the IRS to request that the taxpayer enter into a collateral agreement or post any security which is deemed necessary for the protection of the interests of the United States. A collateral agreement enables the IRS to collect funds in addition to the payments offered in Form 656, or to add additional terms not included in the standard Form 656 agreement, thereby recouping part of the difference between the amount of the Form 656 offer and the liability compromised. A collateral agreement may be appropriate in a situation where the IRS anticipates a significant recovery in the future, or securing a collateral agreement will facilitate resolution of the offer. There are several types of collateral agreements, including, without limitation, future income collateral agreements, adjusted basis collateral agreements, net operating loss collateral agreements, capital loss collateral agreements. This discussion will focus on the most common type of collateral agreement, the future income collateral agreement. A future income collateral agreement is most appropriate in situations where the taxpayer's future income is uncertain, but it is reasonably expected that the taxpayer will be receiving a substantial increase in income. In some instances, it may be difficult to calculate the taxpayer's anticipated income. While the use of income averaging is one method available to calculate future income, it may also be appropriate to use the taxpayer's current income and offer a future income collateral agreement. The use of a future income collateral agreement will protect the government's interest in any substantial increase in the taxpayer's earnings. It is appropriate to consider future income collateral agreements for individuals, limited liability companies, and corporations when the investigation reveals that a substantial increase in the taxpayer's future income is expected. Future income collateral agreements will be monitored annually by the IRS for the life of the agreement. Thank you for listening to this video, and please spread the word to family and friends that Do-It-Yourself Offer and Compromise Academy is available to help taxpayers find solutions to crushing IRS-backed taxes. The music for this video was provided by www.bensound.com. You can contact the Academy at its contact page at www.diycompromiseacademy.com. Enjoy the online course and keep on learning.